Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must start by verifying you have authorization to modify firewall settings. Unauthorized removal is risky and often illegal. Once verification is done, back up the existing rules and export the configuration so you can restore it. Next, define the real goal. Are you resolving an app port block, testing connectivity, or addressing a policy conflict? This prevents unnecessary removal and keeps systems secure while you proceed with a safer, targeted approach. Rather than disabling the firewall, open its management console with administrator rights and create focused rules for the ports, IP addresses, or services you need. Once done, apply a restrictive allow rule that limits exposure and logs traffic for review. If you must test, use temporary rules with a clear expiration to limit risk. Make sure to monitor logs and confirm functionality. This preserves protection while solving the underlying connectivity issue without wholesale removal. Finish by validating both connectivity and the security posture after your changes. Run the exact scenarios that triggered the issue and check logs for unexpected traffic. Once satisfied, remove any temporary allowances and reapply stricter policies so you're not exposed unnecessarily. If something goes wrong or behavior is unexpected, restore the exported backup configuration immediately and escalate to your network administrator or security team. That rapid rollback is the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.